Stop doing what doesn't work. Do this instead. Here are 10 tips to get rich. Spend less than you earn. This might seem obvious, but it's the foundation for wealth building. Track your spending and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Pay yourself first. Set up automatic savings or investments so you're saving consistently. Invest for the future. Take advantage of compound interest by starting to invest early, even with small amounts. Clear high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit cards and other high-interest debts to free up money for savings and future investments. Boost your income. Explore ways to increase your earning potential, like negotiating a raise, starting a side hustle, or learning new skills. Become financially literate. Educate yourself about personal finance through books, podcasts, or courses. Think long-term. Avoid impulse purchases and prioritize saving towards your financial goals. Embrace calculated risks. While being responsible, don't be afraid to take calculated risks in your career or investments to potentially grow your wealth faster. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with positive and successful people who can offer guidance and open doors to opportunities. Be patient and consistent. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Stay committed to your plan and celebrate your progress along the way.